Everyday life here with a quick video. Keep it short and sweet. Had to replace my son's headlight bulb. Didn't know how to get the fenders off. Nothing on YouTube, so here we go. 2020 Outlaw Polaris 110. First things first, remove the seat. Remove this screw here. Remove the 3 screws on the fender down here. Same on the other side. I'm going to remove these 2 plastic buttons. If you have a good way of getting those out, let me know. I had a real pain in the ass. I damaged mine, had to put some new ones in. If you need to put new ones in, which I recommend, it's just the 8mm tusk fender rivets, whatever. Alright, so remove that. This has a slot right here. This will pop right off. Snaps right off. There's no screws that hold it on. Just pry it up. This has a slot in it. Kind of shimmy it, wiggle it. You're going to remove this screw, this screw. Once you get this slot out, this yellow side cover will slide right out. Okay? Once you slide that out, you're going to have a screw right here, underneath, right here. Same on the other side. Okay? Once you got that, you're going to be able to lift this gray cover straight up, and then those headlights, there's wires that unclip. You can unclip it and just remove the whole gray cover. It's a real pain in the ass getting the bulbs. Like, you got to push and twist to remove the cap that holds the bulb secure, and then once you put your new bulb in, you're gonna have to push and twist. Just make sure the little notches are lined up good. It's kind of a real pain in the ass, but it's gonna be a lot easier if you remove that front cover to do it, or front fender to do it. Anyway, that's pretty much it. Short and sweet, everyday life. Hopefully this helps you. Do me a favor, like and subscribe. Appreciate it. Hope this helps. Peace out.